Hi everyone, and thank you for watching. We're going to be making my favorite quick and easy chicken curry today. Let's get started. Cut 6 to 8 chicken thigh into 1-inch pieces. Now I like to use the skinless and boneless chicken thighs, much easier. Add 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Add a pinch of salt and a pinch of black pepper. Add 1 tablespoon of cornstarch and 1 tablespoon of oil. Mix and then set aside. Remove the peel on 3 carrots. Remove the peel on 4 potatoes and 2 red onions. Rinse all the vegetables clean. And then chop up all your vegetables into smaller pieces. Turn the heat on high, add 2 tablespoons of oil and your onion to your wok. Saute your onion. Add the marinated chicken to the wok and saute. Create a space in the middle of your wok and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of curry paste. You can add more if you like a stronger and spicier flavor. Stir fry and mix well. And because I do like spicy, I'm going to add 1 more big tablespoon of curry paste. Now add the potato and carrots and mix well. Add 1 cup of water, cover and simmer on medium heat. Now you need to make sure that you check in on the curry and mix as needed. You don't want it sticking to the bottom of your wok. If you do notice that the sauce is drying up and the carrot and potato has not softened to your liking, add a little bit more of the water and continue to cook. The curry is ready when the vegetable softens to your liking. The starch from the potatoes will help your sauce thicken up, and it turns out beautifully on a nice bed of fresh cooked rice. Now I like to eat this with rice, but you're welcome to eat it with noodles. I'm sure it's just as tasty. I hope you like my quick and easy curry chicken. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.